hip external rotation pails and rails. For this one, we're going to be in a tabletop or a quadruped position. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going to show it with my left hip. Sorry for the camera angle. This isn't the best. Showing my shiny head here. I'm going to step my right foot back into a plank, and we're going to put my left knee down on the ground here. From there, I'm going to externally rotate that hip. So that means bringing the left ankle towards my right wrist. So I rotate as far as I can. I plant that down. And now with the back knee, the right knee, I bring that knee behind the shin, the ankle area, as the block. So now the right knee here is behind my left ankle shin area. It's not going to allow any movement. So we would hold here in our stretch. You might feel a bit of a stretch here. You might feel too much. And you can scan in terms of the pelvis here, what you can do to find that stretch. So for most people, it's lifting that tail up towards the sky and thinking about reaching the belly button forward, trying to find a bit of a stretch here in the outside back area of the hip. So the pails action for this one is trying to internally rotate the hip. So that means I'm driving my contact, that ankle shin area, into my thigh, trying to rotate. Imagine my thigh is not there. I'm trying to internally rotate in that direction. So that'll be driving in. You start your light intensity, you ramp up to whatever's on your programming there. For your timer will begin when you hit that max. And the rails action is trying to further externally rotate. So I'm trying to get this shin here or ankle off of my thigh. I'm trying to rotate further, squeezing everything inside of the thigh. Imagine my foot is coming in this direction. So I'm trying to externally rotate that thigh. But because you brought yourself towards your end range, you shouldn't be able to get any further. So the pails driving into the leg, the rails trying to get off of that.